Chip stocks extending yesterday's sell-off. The semi ETF for the SMH now down 1% today and lower by more than 4% this week as tariffs and tighter export controls weigh. Christina Partsinevelos joins us with more of this action today. Christina, which started a bit more positively, a little bit of a bounce in the morning, but it's faded.
Yeah, and a lot of that had to do with TSMC, which I'll get to, but NVIDIA is really the big drag on the NASDAQ 100. Broadcom not too far behind. Let's start with NVIDIA because they have such a big weight and they're held in so many ETFs. They're staring down a massive $5.5 billion write-off. We know that from yesterday thanks to these new licensing rules for China AI chips. Plus, they've got Congress investigating their correspondence with Chinese startup DeepSeek. And if their Singaporean chips somehow found their way to China, CEO Jensen Huang is actually in Beijing right now meeting with trade officials. And you can talk about timing, right? Because that's exactly what I asked NVIDIA, and they replied. The spokesperson said, we quote, "We regularly meet with government leaders to discuss our products and technology." Broadcom, though, feeling the pain too. Shares are lower. Investors are betting they'll face similar license requirements given their ByteDance business. Intel's also down and going to need licenses for AI chips to China, according to the Financial Times. But their AI chips haven't really gained traction in China. That's according to Wedbush. The bigger problem, though, for Intel, TSMC is flat out denying their chip partnership rumor. There's a rumor going on there was going to be a joint venture. And speaking of TSMC, and maybe why we saw more of that positive reaction in the morning, Wilf, is that they're holding steady after sticking to their 2025 growth outlook, saying they haven't seen customers flinch since the U.S. tariff announcements. But some Wall Street analysts aren't convinced right now. Some are warning it's still way too early to really know the tariff impact, and they expect companies to play it safe with guidance this earnings season, which we know is underway.